Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinker Hunt. Friends, it's time to start hunting, so let's get cracking. Friends, Tinker Hunts are a scavenger hunt. This is a public design. When you click on it, your job is to try and find these 5 characters: the jack-o'-lantern, the rocket, Blanky, the celebrating HLModTech kid, and the unicorn dude. They are all hidden in super tiny spots. When you're searching, what I ask you to do is click on the item, press F, and then you can zoom in and search. If you right click, you can orbit. You can also use this cube to orbit. There are also things hidden all over, so if you use Control H, you can look and see if they're inside. I have also gotten a little bit trickier, and I'm hiding them inside things. Friends, a new shortcut key: if you hit T, that makes things transparent. If you press T again, they come back. Friends, once you want to pop back out, simply hit the home and then keep searching for all the items. If you solve it correctly, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. The successful solutions this week came from Aviukt, Caden, Ruby, Drew, Isaac, Juliana, Ben, and Ava. Thank you all for the participation and great job with your solutions. Don't forget, there will be a new one of these every Sunday. Next week will be Tinker Hunt 20. I will see if I can come up with something special for that occasion. Friends, there are many ways to give a correct solution. You can, of course, reply to the YouTube video. You can also give me one in Google Classroom if you're one of my students. You can also visit the website HLModTech.com and use the built-in messaging tool as well. When you do give a final solution, it is coolest if you give them all in one chunk. You can see here Aviukt told me where Blanky was by giving me the house and the location, and then just continued with the rest. Some people give it as one long sentence, which is fantastic as well. Friends, I'm looking for more and more interaction, so if you just find one piece, you're welcome to share that as well. You can also just share what you think is coolest about the village of Tinkerville. Friends, before I sign off, I just want to show you I am on HLModTech.com. This is the Tinkercad page. This is the messaging tool I mentioned. You can send your solution there. What I also want to show you, friends, is down here I have all of the Tinker Hunts. When you click on these, you get a few things. 1, you get to see the design. You can give a reaction. 2, you also get to see the shout out, which I also do in the video. Friends, don't forget, if you click on this little picture, it takes you right to all of my designs. You can see which designs you would like to check out. As you can see, I've got tutorials for a ton of these. Also, if you sort by latest, you'll see the newest things I've created, and of course you can see the project I'm actually telling you about right now. Friends, I hope you have a ton of fun with this, and I'm looking forward to seeing your solutions in the comments. Of course, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or solution, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know with this brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.